Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Turfy. TikTok banned, Share It banned, WeChat banned. Next is PUBG, maybe. Out of fear of getting banned, PUBG Mobile decided to host user data in India itself. Most of the Indian youth plays PUBG Mobile. We have seen many cases of PUBG effect on youth, killing friend in real for not giving 6x, and many more. PUBG Mobile is not banned yet, but almost. Indian cybersecurity claimed user data and user location is being flowed to China as per Chinese government policy, and it's true. Recent bans on TikTok and other apps is because of user data issue too. As expected, next is PUBG, the most played Chinese game in India. Already TikTok is in huge loss because of ban. After all this stuff, PUBG Mobile decided to host its user data in India, hosting very big data center in local itself, so that PUBG Mobile can claim that India user data is safe and there is no national security threat. National security threat is the where issue started. We seriously don't know what this Chinese application is doing in our mobile. We actually don't read user agreements, right? So concluding this, having user data in their own country will make no problem. Trump about to ban TikTok too. Now US investors thinking to own that piece. So USA user data will be in USA, Indian PUBG data will be in India. If our investor own that piece, this is the only future solutions.